Stop scrolling. What if I told you the game is rigged, and you've been playing by someone else's rules this whole time? Most people hustle for leads, grind for sales, and still feel stuck on the hamster wheel, watching others pass them by. But what if you could break out? Enter the AI Matrix Spillover, where the 2x2 matrix hack flips the script completely. Instead of chasing, you're attracting. Instead of working harder, you're working smarter. Imagine a system that builds your email list, follows up automatically, and grows your downline, without you lifting a finger or losing sleep. Here's the real kicker. With Spillover, you benefit from the work of others. Positioning means you're not just another face in the crowd. You're strategically placed for exponential growth. Leverage? That's earning $20 fast start commissions, monthly recurring income, and building a network that multiplies, all on autopilot. Tired of watching others win while you stay stuck? This is your red pill moment. The only question is, are you ready to disconnect from the old system and finally take control? Click the link. Choose wisely.